How's it going, everybody? It's your boy, it's the Burger King, and I am back after a little bit of a hiatus. Different things came up and stuff, and just been kind of finishing up school and getting into work and stuff. But I am back, and I'm getting back on my upload schedule, so be on the lookout for that. But yeah, the Sons of the Forest come out today. I played a lot of the Forest. Uh, Love the game, and I was at work this morning and I got a notification from not from Steam, that this game was releasing today. So came home from work, downloaded it, and we're all gonna play it together. So we're gonna start a new one. We'll just do normal. Uh, I played a lot of the Forest. The four These games are they're different. Uh, this one supposedly is supposed to be a lot more in depth and stuff than the first one was. A lot more stuff, which I'm excited for. So I guess we'll see. We'll see what the forest has to offer, and hopefully there's no kids this time to turn into whatever the hell the kid turned into at the end of the original forest. Now this is early access, so there are bugs and stuff from what I've read on the Steam page. So we'll have that to deal with, but I'm going into it with an open mind. Oh, so we're starting out helicopters and stuff. The graphics already look way better than they did in the first one. Can't can't move no farther than that. There's a something down there. That's one thing I liked about the first game is the weather and the stuff that would just randomly come through. Made it. Oh, I got people with me. Kelvin and Bishop. Huh. We got spots on the map to go look at. So we're looking for. I guess we're hunting these people up. Virginia, Edward. Okay. Yep. Fight, fight demons. Hmm. Oh, shit. All right, let's go then. I guess we're just gonna fucking crash now. Shit. Oh, fuck. Game's freezing a little bit. Okay. Oh, fuck. I guarantee you we're going over that fucking massive cliff. Oh. God damn, this brother just had a fucking helicopter drop. Who is this? Who the fuck is that? Oh. Alright. So. Just in the snow, I guess? Open. Emergency only. Huh. Man, this game does look good. Oh shit, there's fish on drink. What the fuck is... Hold on, let me... Oh. C4? Well, that's a little much off rip. Oh, it's Kelvin. Holy fuck, he looks weird. What the fuck is wrong with Kelvin? Oh. So I can tell him shit to do. That's fucking sweet. I guess. Uh-huh. Looks like there's a thing over here I can get. Meds. Printer resin? What is this? Damn. Rest in peace to the homie there. Zipline. Huh. I don't know what this thing in my hand does. Oh, 9mm. Oh yeah. Where's the 9mm? I want that. Holy shit. Good. Calvin, I think we're in for a whole lot of shit. So, what do I need to do first? Inventory. Add items to the map. Sweet. Lighter, axe, GPS tracker, guidebook. Axes can be used to cut down trees and dismember enemies. Sweet. I guess me and fucking Kelvin here need to get the fuck off this mountain. How to do that, I'm not quite sure. Come on, dumbass, let's go. Open your inventory, I already got that. Oh. Sweet, you can just slide down a bunch of stuff. Nice. Where's Kelvin? There he comes. I think Kelvin's all fucked up. Now, this looks a little bit more friendly. Kelvin, where do you want to build our shelter at? So I'm gonna say, oh, pick up some things. I'm gonna say if I was a map button, I would be, oh, open your inventory, new crafting is available. You can make a spear, 2 stick, a duct tape, and a stocking, a mop. Sweet. Learn the basics of building. Construction. Oh, the improved survival handbook. The tent. Oh, that's what that thing, that gray thing was. Floor. Stairs. Just switch it up. Aha, here's what. Alright, so you can still build a good bit of stuff. Sweet. So if I was a map, I would be M. I'm Team B. It looks like, I guess these purple things are Team B. What the hell is Kelvin? He'll come down here eventually. So far, this game's been pretty good. The opening's a little kind of vague in what's going on. It looks like, I guess you're coming out here to find some missing people or something. Now, the green dots on the map, they were on the laptop back in the helicopter, so I guess they have some kind of an importance too, I would say. But for right now, we're going to go over to this purple eye. See what we can find. I hear a beeping off in the distance. Shit, massive cliff. I hear it. Oh, shit. Huh. How the fuck am I supposed to get him down? Fucking. Any ideas, dumbass, on how to get him down? I'm trying to throw my spear at that rope. Oh. Okay. I lost my spear. Oh, he's got a flashlight. And vodka, thank God. Or something. I cut his... you can't cut his body up. Anything else you got for me? Ooh, it's stuttering real bad. They don't like that. Huh. I lost my spear in the process of that. Alright, build another one. What the fuck is that? What in the fuck? Those look like the fucking people that run the meth lab down the road from my house. So I guess, Kelvin, we're gonna go and find, go to this other gray mark over here. What Not gonna lie, that kind of scared the shit out of me. Oh, it's hold on here. What we got here? Damn, homie. Oh, I got a bigger fucking axe now.
Pfizy Energy, Thermal Grape, Bloody Banana, and Chillin' Cherry. Blast off with Pfizy.
Sound like Drake's new shit. Hey, one of those fucking. What the fuck are you idiots doing? I'm just gonna take the vodka instead of eating random mushrooms. A grenade. Damn. More fucking dude. Oh, we got flares. Alright, music's getting annoying as fuck. Sounds like a fucking Metallica song. Anything else from in here I can get? Oh, yeah. What are you doing out here, homeboy? You know what? Where's that bitch at? Where's that grenade? I'll throw it at this guy. What the hell is it? Bricks of C4. Printer resin. 1 GPS locator. Got a grenade. Huh. That broke the tree down.
Although living on the beach might seem like a dream, we have struggles like everyone else.
Yep.
These are my friends.
Come on, Calvin, let's go.
And this is Dana Point, California.
Yep. Eh. Get the fuck out of here. I'm telling you. That's what you're gonna have in fucking high schools. Just goddamn furries crawling around like that. Well, sweet. We got a good load of stuff. I don't know if Kelvin needs to eat anything or not. Not seeing much of nothing along. Oh. Hello. Hello, nice people with your golf cart? How the fuck y'all have a golf cart? Hey, fuck you. Holy shit, that is a big ass dude. Yeah, I'm not fucking dealing with him. I think I'm gonna leave. Or fucking Shaquille O'Neal back there comes and beats the living shit out of me. There's more fucking meth heads running around. Where the fuck are you going? What? Oh, okay. Nice ear you got there. Come on, dumbass. We're going over here to this dot. Then we're going to go and see what's up. So, what am I looking for here? The dot on the map. There's something. Oh, wait a minute. What's going on over here? Oh, there's a cave here. Uh-huh. Fuck it, let's go in. Down here. Huh, I guess Calvin didn't want no part of this shit. I don't blame him. What the fuck was that? God damn. Oh. Oh. Okay. Nothing too crazy. What the fuck is this? Food and dining? What? Damn, homie, you had a rough day. I'll take those fucking crossbow bolts. What you might find is recalling an artifact one. Might be related to that cube you guys found. Wow. That's interesting. Can I have my axe back, please? In case if somebody wants to get fucking silly down here. Huh. There's all kinds of good shit down here to take. Box of cereal? Ramen noodles? Hell yeah, we're eating like fucking kings down here. Bacon bite. Another box of cereal? Oh, fuck. Got the Milwaukee tools. At least these people have got some fucking common sense. You get a good brand of tool. And if you try to tell me that fucking DeWalt or Makita or any of them other ones are superior to Milwaukee, you're just wrong. Sorry, guys, I can't cut you down. What is that? A Roomba? Oh, that is a tough ass Roomba. Any bottles I can take? Oh, I guess I don't have the right key card. Huh. Okay. I don't know if y'all can hear this or not, but I hear shit going on in the background, and it is making me quite uncomfortable. So I think we're just gonna go right on back out the way we come from, which is not that way, this way. So that's interesting. There's a underground bunker or some shit underneath this island now. Let's go back outside. Kelvin, where you at? There's something wrong with him. I'm getting hungry, thirsty. Find some water. Might be some on the way. So far, this game has been, I don't know, it's just kind of like everything. You just gotta kind of explore and see what you find, which I like that, you know. And it looks like there's another village hut. Or no, that's just a rock. Excuse me. I hear them, though. I hear the fucking meth heads again. Oh, that's a big meth head village. Yeah. Damn, there's a pile of them down there. Take this road. What is that over there? There's something. Okay. Let me just jump 10 foot out of a fucking tree. What is that? Is that the forbidden? Is that the forbidden fleshlight? Yeah, I'm just gonna. They're starting to notice I'm here. I'm just gonna go whatever direction is away from where these fuckers live. Oh, that's cool. There's a fucking demon. All right, just gonna let him free. I'm sure he's gonna leave me alone. Or no, he's not. He's gonna follow Kelvin. I have a feeling I'm gonna have to beat this guy's ass. Where's my big axe? Oh. Alright, looks like he fucked off. Come on, Kelvin, let's keep going. Really too much else. Hopefully this homeboy died a little bit easier than the first guy did. Very, very field. I hear him. A deer. Where the hell is he at? Is he up in a tree? Oh. Surely he's not up in a tree. Okay. Yeah, I know, Calvin. There's a guy back there. Wait a minute. Is he buried? How do I dig him up? He craft a shovel. This has gotta be where he is. No, he's right here. He's buried. What is it, Calvin? Hey, Calvin, come here. I want you to build a shelter. I know, Calvin, there's people around. Oh, he's right there. I'm gonna sleep. And just, can we sleep? Can we sleep again? Can we sleep to when it's not nighttime? Why am I only sleeping for... I'm not tired enough, I guess? Kelvin, what are you doing? What the hell do I use here? White color? Oh, that's sweet. Oh. You can change the colors of this. That's sweet. Go back to white, please. Like a Molotov cocktail. Other than that, what do I... Apparently there's something I haven't found yet. Well, I think I'm gonna call it here, guys. I think that's a good first little bit. Just kind of getting into the game and seeing what's going on. If you guys like the video, you know, drop a comment, subscribe, like, all that good stuff. And yeah, I guess I will see y'all in the next video. Peace out.